Hi. The following is a recording to help you with the conversion word problems worksheet. So this is more than an answer key. It's a small lesson built into the actual worksheet. We want to buy some cabbage, which sells for 69 cents a pound. If we buy 3 pounds of cabbage, how much will it cost? Well, let's write down what we know from the word problem. It states that the cabbage cost 69 cents per 1 pound. We want to buy 3 pounds, so this is just a straightforward problem. In order to find the answer, we can do cross products. So 1 times x is just 1x. And if we multiply 3 times 0.69, we return an answer of 2.07. And that is the price of the cabbage for 3 pounds. Now we want to buy 1.3 pounds of cabbage. How much will that cost? Well, we're going to begin it the same way. We're going to set up our proportion using the same beginning proportion where 69 cents is the cost of 1 pound. And that's going to equal what we're looking for price-wise for 1.3 pounds. So again, this is a simple proportion where you do cross products. You multiply 1 times x, and that's going to equal 0.69 times 1.3, and you're going to return now a decimal of 0.897. Well, this is money. So we need to round this 9 up to a 10. And then the 1 will carry, and that 8 will become a 9. It's still a decimal, so now we know the price of the cabbage, 1.3 pounds of cabbage, is 90 cents. In this third part of the problem, we want to buy a single head of cabbage which weighs 12 ounces. So now we need to actually do a small conversion. We're going to start with the same price. The price is still 69 cents for 1 pound. But we know that 1 pound equals 16 ounces. And we're going to set that up to our other side where we're looking for the price of 12 ounces. So as you can see, now our units match. We have ounces on this side, ounces on that side. That's what an equal line means. An equal sign means that you have equal proportions, equal units, and we can now use our same method of solving of cross products, and we have 16x equals 0.69 times 12, and that is 8.28. Now we need to divide the 16 away, and our final answer is, put it over here, x equals 0.575. And again, we're trying to create money, so we need to do a little bit of rounding. So 575 will round to up to 0.58. So this is the price of 12 ounces of a cabbage. In example 2, now we want to buy 350 grams of our favorite cheese. The cheese costs $8.99 per kilogram. How much are we going to pay for the cheese? First thing we need to know is that the cost of the cheese and what we're buying are in different units. So we need to be able to do a small conversion here. So to begin with, we're going to convert kilograms to grams. 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So from there, we should be able to start solving this problem. The cost of the cheese again is $8.99 per kilogram. So I'm going to write that down first. $8.99 per 1 kilogram. And we're setting that up to equal what we're looking for. And we're looking for 350 grams. Well, as you can see, kilograms and grams do not match. So we're going to rewrite this problem. And we're going to change our kilograms to our conversion that we just found. And that's 1,000 grams. And now we can go ahead and set that up to the same conversion of 350 grams. And we're ready to start solving. So 1,000 times x equals 8.99 times 350. And we'll get from that 3,146.5. Well, all we have to do now is divide by 1,000 on both sides. And we get x equals 3 point, because all we had to do really is move our decimal point 3 places, 3.146. Again, we're talking about money, so we need to round that 14 up to 15, or that 4 to 5, sorry, 5. And I'll rewrite that to make it neat. And this is the price for the 350 grams of cheese. All right, last example. We need to buy some ribbon now. And the ribbon costs $1.45 per meter. We need 1 meter and 45 centimeters of blue ribbon and 2 meters and 55 centimeters of red ribbon. How much is this going to cost for both? Again, we need to do a small conversion. 100 centimeters makes 1 meter. So with that, we should be able to convert this blue ribbon all the way completely over to centimeters. Well, 1 meter we just said was 100 centimeters, plus we have 75 more centimeters. So altogether, we have 175 centimeters of blue ribbon. Well, let's do the red ribbon. 2 times 100 is 200. So we have 200 centimeters plus 55 more. So altogether we have 250 centimeters of red ribbon. Now we can take those numbers and we can figure out how much we spent on each ribbon. So for the blue ribbon, we're going to begin our proportion. We're going to start out with the price of the ribbon, which is $1.45, and that is for 100 centimeters, which is our meter of ribbon. And we set that equal to our conversion, which is 175 centimeters of the blue ribbon. And now we can figure out the price. So 100 times x is 100x. And 175 times 1.45 is 253.75. Divide by 100. And the cost for the blue ribbon alone is $2.54, since we had to round this up. So that is the cost for the blue ribbon. Now over here is the red ribbon. We'll start with the same proportion. We're looking for the cost of the red ribbon, which is, we have 225 centimeters of it. Same type of math. And when we multiply these two, we get 369.75. Of course, now we need to divide by 100, just like before. And the cost for the red ribbon is $3. And, oh, check this out. 0.6975. This 9 is going to round up to a 10, carry the 1, and that becomes 70 cents. So there's the cost of the red. And you would think we would be done, but if you remember, we are trying to find the total cost. So it's just a simple matter of adding our blue ribbon plus our red ribbon, and our total cost will equal $6 and 24 cents. There we go.